Hi, it's Neil, and welcome to the family room. And today I have this Pinowu. What a weird name. But what it came with actually two of these Firestick TV remotes. So you can see this one here is this color, and this one here is this color here, and it comes with these little strings too, so you can have the little, so it can hang on it, which is nice, so you can find it. But these here, I think it's even glow in the dark. These ones here, it's pretty good. I like to have these because these remotes, what I found is the battery pack comes off more often than not, and so that's what I end up losing. But instead, this one here, it's got it for the new 4K, the Firestick 4K Max is what I'm using, and it's got the holes for the cutouts for those instant connection places, and then you would just have the little string go through it, so it's just easier to hold or mount or something like that. You can hang it. See if I put it through there. I already put the remote on, obviously. So let's see what this looks like with this. I guess you could mix and match and have a different color string and remote, but there you go. So that's what it looks like here. So thumbs up for me, man. I like this. I like these cases. I always put a case on it. I have the cases for this, and I even have a case for the old one here, because I do have the old Firestick 4K that didn't have the little things there. So, always pick up a silicone case. You can get them all different colors and stuff too. But I'll put a link to this one in the description so you guys can pick it up for yourselves. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.